What's up, everybody? My name is Derek, and over the past couple of months I've picked up a hobby of making some more projects out of wood. One of the main ones have been these wooden burned flags, and whether it's given to my family members or a couple of people that I've sold them to, one of the biggest questions that I've got from those people is what is the best way to hang these objects? Today I wanted to make a quick video on the easiest way that I think of how to hang objects like this or any other similar type weight into drywall. And that is these drywall anchors. They come in sets, the big and the small. The small there is rated for 65 pounds and the big for 79 pounds. And it's one of the easiest ways. I realize there are thousands of ways to hang certain things into walls, but into drywall, this is the easiest way that I found. So I wanted to do a quick video on the best way to put these into a wall. So I have made this little fake wall. So this is what a wall without spackle and paint looks like from the front. This is the back. So most walls have wooden 2x4s, studs that go up your wall like that. What I've found is difficult when hanging things into studs is if you're going to a wall and you want it to be centered, usually there's not a stud that is directly in the center of that wall. So you often have to drill in and use big anchors for stuff into the drywall. But these are rated for a lot of weight. These will not go into a stud. And so you have to find a hollow drywall in order to get these in. You can do this with a screwdriver, but if you have a drill, that is much easier. Usually these can go right into drywall, just like that. And you see it goes in and sits flush against that. And then all you do is you drill the screw right into that. Put a screw into that. Leave a little bit for your wire, and so anything can hang right on that. And you see the back of that, where that anchor went all the way through, and it kind of splits the plastic so that it will not go back out through the wall. The only drawbacks to these are you cannot go right into a stud. When you take these out, if you put it in the wrong place, it leaves a pretty big hole that you would need to spackle, and so make sure you get it in the right place. And the only other negative is if you're driving these into something and it's not going, it can sometimes strip out this plastic where it gets hot. You can either pre-drill a hole. Sometimes that's easier for these to go into. Pre-drilling means putting a little hole that's smaller than this in before you stick this in. There's thousands of other ways to hang something from a wall, but I like this where you can just center it on the wall. You're usually not going to find a stud right in that direct place. If you want to check around with a stud finder or kind of knock to make sure you're not going into a stud, that'd probably be good. Easy to hang something from one screw. You can put a bunch of these around the wall. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope to be doing more videos like this in the future. Little tips and tricks that some people may find really simple and easy, but were some of the things that I got hung up on that I found pretty difficult when I first started doing home improvement projects. I by no means am a professional at any of this. A lot of this stuff could probably be done a lot easier or better, but these are the best ways that I have found over the past couple of years to do some of these things. If there's simple things like that that you would like to see a video on, leave a comment below. I will try to get to anything that you guys suggest. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time.